In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Chrome slow download problem on Android. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, slow Chrome downloads on Android are frequently caused by the browser only using a single thread to download files. By forcing Chrome to use multiple connections simultaneously, you could often triple your download speeds. So what you want to do firstly is enable parallel downloading. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Chrome on your Android device. And then once you open it up, all you got to do is make sure it's on Chrome and not the Google application. But once it's open, all you got to go ahead and do is in the address bar, type the following. So it's going to be Chrome, and then it's going to be these, and slash slash, and then type in flags like so. Go ahead and click enter. And then what you want to do in the search flags box at the top, type parallel downloading. So you want to type it in like this. You're going to see parallel downloading as one of the options here. Now change the drop down menu from default to enabled like so, and it says enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed. It also shows you everything that it's available on. After you do that, you should be good to go. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.